Welcome back to MotivatesUAll, place where we turn dreams into reality and inspire each other to be the best version of ourselves. I'm thrilled to have you join me today on another journey of self-discovery and empowerment. The Resigning Woodworker story. Inspirational brief tale. The Resigning Woodworker story goes this way. A woodworker who had been working for an organization for a long time declared to his supervisor that he was prepared to resign. The manager was sorry to see such a decent laborer go and inquired as to whether he could fabricate only another house before he left. The woodworker concurred, yet it was not difficult to see that his heart was not in his work any longer. He depended on utilizing subpar materials and pursuing faster routes at every possible opportunity. At the point when the woodworker completed his work, the supervisor came to examine the house. He then, at that point, gave the front entryway key to the woodworker and said, "This is your home, my gift to you." The woodworker was stunned and humiliated. Assuming he had just realized he was building his own home, he would have done it all the other way. The moral of the story is that consistently we construct our own lives, and we ought to continuously take care of our best responsibilities, in any event, when nobody is watching. So, are you ready to unleash the powerhouse that's been lying dormant within you? Smash that like button if you are, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Don't forget to subscribe and to share your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing your stories and insights.